Hi, this is Chris. Today I'm going to work in my scrap collage book, and I'm going to use my Marguerite Miller 2018 collage prompt deck. So this time I'm just going to shuffle the pieces that are left. These are the ones I've already used in the last couple collages. So I'm just going to shovel this, split it, and I'm going to take the top 5 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you may hear some noises in the background. I'm having my garden shed worked on, and they're using a nailer to put new siding on it. Okay, we have a playing card, an herb or other botanical, anything from the grocery store, instructions, and a repeating pattern. So I'm going to look for those things and I'll be right back. Okay, I found some things. I found a playing card. Anything from the grocery store. I have a couple of flyers from my grocery store. An herb or other botanical. I have these botanical stickers. I also have this little book with some oriental images in it. The book itself, I think, is in German, but the designs are oriental. Instructions. I have a recipe, that's instructions, and a repeating pattern. So I think I will work with those. I'll cover this page so it won't distract me. And I'll take my book out of the cover. All right. So I think I'll put a clip on this so it stays put. Okay, I think I'm close. I don't know what we're celebrating, but I like the introduction of the pink. And I cut this out for the yellow. So I like this vertical element, and it's semi-transparent, so it won't be too obvious. Get this in here. I don't really like the Borden's box on there. So I can move Jack up here. I chose Jack because my brother is visiting and his name is Jack. Okay, I think I'm going to start tacking things down. I have art glitter glue. I can't decide. I kind of like this up here, but I kind of wanted to get rid of the wonder form. I'll go ahead and put that up there and see what else I can do about the wonder form. And what I'm doing is I'm looking at the blocks of colors, not just the images, but also the blocks of color. Alright, what can I do? I've got genuine, I could put that on there, but it's transparent, so it wouldn't really work. The whole thing doesn't make any sense, really, but that's not the point. The point is just to mix a bunch of images together and make something different. I think I'll just leave it at that. And I'm going to use my Stabilo All Brown. Okay, it's strange, but that's kind of what I do. So I'm going to put the prompts down here at the bottom. I'll put the date, and I'll put a playing card, anything from the grocery store, an herb or other botanical, instructions, and a repeating pattern. And I'm going to put Marguerite Miller 2018. Okay, so a playing card, we have Jack. Anything from the grocery store, we have the yellow from the flyer. An herb or botanical or other botanical. So we have these flowers. Instructions, we have this recipe. A repeating pattern, we have the stripes behind the woman. So you never know what you're going to come up with. So I will put these back in my bundle. Oh, my rubber band just broke. And I'll stick them in here so I don't use them again. And find a new rubber band. So thanks for watching, and have a great day collaging. Bye bye!